That's going to be a 24-second violation on the Cavaliers. Oh! Miller threw that in the hole! Do you believe? Booker got it. Are you kidding me? I mean, if you want to define the phrase grandma shot, that defines.
The bench still stands.
Adams going long. Morant. He hit it. John Morant, insanity.
Did not allow him to put it on the floor and get by.
Oh, are you kidding me? Play of the decade. Play of the decade. We'll see that time and time again, Chad.
Ntilikina, a below-average three-point shooter. There's Simmons. Yes! He did it! Bang!